We are presenting at this Geneva Watch Days a capsule collection that is deeply rooted in the history of the brand in order to celebrate in the right way our 175th anniversary. The story of this collection is starting from this object. This object is a very particular object. It's called a marine chronometer. We have produced more than 10,000 pieces in our history. We still repair some of them. And we have equipped all the admiralties everywhere in the world. American Navy, Russian Navy, Japanese Navy, the geodesic institutes, the observatories with these highly technical instruments. As you may know, these instruments were saving lives and allowed the long-haul navigation and exploration. They were helping the calculation of the longitude. 1 second variation with these instruments means more than 400 meters variation in the longitude calculation. So you can imagine how sensitive and important was this type of object for the battleships particularly. Ulysse Nardin has been the #1 supplier in the Swiss industry worldwide with these objects during more than 1 century. We won many prizes, many competitions. This object was so important that only the captain had the ability to open the box with the key in order to set the object. We have produced several types of instruments, bigger one, smaller one. At the beginning of the 20th century, we had some requests from the navies for pocket watches with the apparition of smaller battleships like torpedoes, submarines. The name that has been given by the navies to these pocket watches was torpilleur. Torpilleur means torpedo in French. And we kept that name for the capsule collection that we are presenting today to celebrate this important anniversary for us. We are presenting 7 pieces in limited edition. All the codes are coming from our history and the marine chronometers that you have just seen. So it is like you are wearing a marine chronometer on your wrist, if I may say. Roman numerals, cathedral hands, concave case, fluted bezel, a side plate with the individual number of the object, and above all, a specific movement with a power reserve at 12 o'clock and a small second counter at 6 o'clock. All these characteristics are coming from the deep past of Ulysse Nardin, and you can see them in the 7 limited editions that we are presenting. The first limited edition is a dial animation with a Panda two-tone dial, white and blue color. A limitation 300 pieces and price point 7,800 Swiss francs. The second one is another dial execution, which is very important to us. It is a blue enamel dial that has been especially created by our internal workshop, Donz et Cadran, in order to celebrate this anniversary. And obviously the color is a dark blue, as we are rooted in the sea at Ulysse Nardin. This is a piece limited in 175 exemplaries, and the price point is 10,900 Swiss francs. We are also presenting 2 variations of our flagship caliber, the 118, with the addition of a moon phase. So this new caliber is called 119. And of course, moon phase is about astronomy. It is also linked to our heritage. And the adaptation of this moon phase has been done in the Ludwig Oechling way, very quick setting, easy to handle. The 2 pieces are in a white and blue dial, 300 pieces each, and the price positioning is 9,400 Swiss francs. We are also presenting 2 executions with a chronograph version. The size is a little bit larger, 44 millimeters instead of 42. The 2 limited editions are available either in a blue color or in a white color, and the price positioning is 11,500 Swiss francs. The caliber is the 153 chronograph with a specific adaptation typical for Ulysse Nardin history. It is an annual calendar that has been conceived by Mr. Ludwig Oechlin and that you can set easily backward and forward. And last but not least, probably the one I prefer and that encapsulates all the know-how that you can find in our manufacture. A limited edition of 175 pieces of the Marine Torpilleur with a black enamel dial. The black enamel is probably the most difficult color to master. You need to put the dial at least 10 times in the oven in order to reach the right level of quality. The level of waste in production is very high, so it's a painful process for the craftsman. And this color has been reserved for this limited edition of 175 exemplaries, of course, in order to celebrate this anniversary. One word about this beautiful movement. Is it a particular execution that we have developed on the base of the 118, our flagship caliber that is itself directly linked to the marine chronometer that I have presented. It is a flying tourbillon and it is loaded with a constant escapement. This constant escapement is equipped with the flying anchor. The flying anchor is a blade, flexible blade concept that has been invented by Ulysse Nardin and won in 2015 the JPASG prize. So we are very proud of that piece because at the end you will find in this limited edition all the elements and exclusiveness that you can find at the manufacture. The silicium technology, the blades technology, the enamel know-how, and of course, and it is probably what is the most important for me, is that as all the limited editions that you can see in this capsule collection, these products are highly authentic and they are expressing a long-lasting history and many stories of adventure.